Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your name in DoorDash. To change your name in DoorDash account, launch open the DoorDash application on your mobile device and then from the home page, after logging in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, tap on Settings. Now, click on View Profile and click on Edit Profile on the next page. Go ahead and enter your new name in the text box. You can type down your last name and first name both. Simply go ahead and make your edits and then tap on Save at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will change your name in DoorDash application. So that's how you can easily change name in DoorDash. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.